Hey YouTube, it's Dan. Welcome back to my channel, Art Vandalay. Today's video, I'm gonna do a mystery box unboxing. So if you wanna, well, just watch it. All right, so I bought this mystery box off of Poshmark. It cost me $41 plus $5 shipping. So, and then tax. Tax? They charge me tax? I'm pretty sure they charge me tax. So I'm all in for about $48. But the guy said that he has raving reviews. So I took a shot. I know I did this before. I said I was never going to do it. I decided to give it another try. Plus I wanted to try out my wide angle lens again. So hopefully it's not all blurry. Is it blurry over here? Is it blurry over here? Hopefully it's not. But either way, I'm gonna post this video. Oh, so this box, it weighed, I'll put it up here, but it weighed 14 pounds, 13 ounces, 14 pounds, 4 pounds, 13 ounces. The first thing I got was this Echo Unlimited t-shirt. It is a size large. It's brand new with tags. I don't know if that is worth anything, but it's brand new with tags. I got two packs of small boxer briefs of Echo Unlimited. So again, I don't know if those go for anything. I'll probably just lot those up together. Hopefully they. I got this Amongst Others hoodie. It's a size 4XL, which is a good size, I guess. It's brand new with tag for it being white, so that's a good idea. That's good too. It has, never heard of this brand at all ever. So it's got a $60 price tag on it for manufacturer. $60. So I'll probably look this up before I post this video. I've never heard of this brand, but this is it. This is 50 bucks. Another 4XL Amongst Others hoodie. It's a gray one. So that's all I got. I'm pretty sure, Caitlin, let's talk. Pretty sure I'm not very happy about this, Caitlin. I guarantee you those. Oh my God, Caitlin. Well, that was a complete bomb. That sucked. I almost guarantee. So if you enjoyed that video as much as I did. All right, so while I'm editing this video, I just didn't really like my outro and kind of wanted to add it different after I looked up some of the comps. I mean, that box is just not very good. It's supposed to be, it's labeled as a men's mystery reseller box, so it's not really much reseller. If I'm lucky, I might be able to get my money back, maybe, and that's before fees. So I'm definitely losing money on that, and I just wanted to add that in there because I mean, it's still bad. I think I'm pretty sure it's pretty bad. I don't know. I was trying to be nicer. I was hesitant and maybe not even posting this, but the point of the video is to put some content out that it's just my channel is supposed to be dedicated to reselling, and it's hard when you're not selling anything to do reselling content. So it wasn't really worth it, and I swear I think I'm gonna post this just so I don't do a mystery box again. Anyway, I'm kind of rambling. I don't know how much of this I'm actually gonna use itself either, but more or less was just to say that you know, if you found my channel by chance, I really appreciate you watching. I hope to have a little bit better stuff than this disaster of a day. If you want to watch more stuff, well, we'll just go back to the original outro. So if you enjoyed that video as much as I did, hit the like button. If you want to see content that's not mystery boxes, hit the subscribe and come back and see me again when it's not an unboxing. I don't even know if that's considered an unboxing. That was just opening up some underwear and a hoodie. So thank you. I'll see you guys next time.